Everyone dreams of becoming a millionaire, but only a few actually take action before a new trend explodes. What if I told you there's a business idea in 2026 that most people will completely ignore until it's too late? This idea doesn't need a massive investment, fancy office, or even employees at the start. It only needs awareness of a shift happening right now in consumer behavior. Across the world, people are craving one thing that combines technology, trust, and transparency. It's the same change that turned small startups into global brands in just 2 years. So stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover the one business idea that could completely change your financial future. Before revealing the idea, think about this. Why did companies like Airbnb or Uber explode so fast? They spotted a simple problem that millions face daily and solved it with the help of tech and timing. 2026 will bring a similar moment for small entrepreneurs. Artificial intelligence, sustainability, and local trust are merging together, and businesses that align with all three will lead the next millionaire wave. This business doesn't sell a product. It creates ongoing value for both consumers and creators. And the best part? You can start it from home with just your laptop and a strategic plan. Ready to know what it is? Let's reveal it. The idea is AI-powered local business automation service. Imagine helping small shops, salons, tutors, or fitness trainers use AI tools to automate their customer support, marketing, and billing. Most local businesses don't understand AI or how it can save their time and money. Your service acts as a bridge. You set up simple systems like WhatsApp auto replies, AI-based booking systems, digital receipts, and voice chatbots. They pay you monthly to maintain and upgrade these automations. It's like becoming a digital manager for multiple businesses, but everything runs online. This concept has almost zero competition in small cities, and you can expand globally by offering the same services remotely. Now let's understand the opportunity. By 2026, more than 70% of small businesses will adopt some form of AI to stay competitive, but they lack knowledge and time. That's where you come in. You can charge $50 to $300 per client per month, depending on automation complexity. Even with just 30 clients, you're looking at a potential six-figure yearly income. You don't need to build AI models, just integrate existing tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Notion AI, and ManyChat. You become the expert who connects the tools and delivers results. Think of it as the modern-day equivalent of digital marketing, but smarter, recurring, and faster growing. To start, pick one niche, say salons. Study their problems: appointment booking, customer reminders, payment tracking. Then create automation templates that solve these issues. Once your system works for one client, clone it for 10 others. As you grow, you can build a small team or train freelancers to handle onboarding, setup, and support. Focus on measurable results, like saving business owners 10 hours a week or doubling their client engagement. Use testimonials and before-after case studies to attract more clients. You're not selling software. You're selling peace of mind and extra time to business owners. Finally, scale it like a real business. Build a website showcasing your services, automate your own lead generation, and expand to multiple industries. You can even create your own software as a service dashboard later, where clients log in and manage their automations in one place. That's when real wealth begins, when your income shifts from project-based to subscription-based. The earlier you start, the bigger your advantage. This one business idea isn't about chasing trends. It's about helping small businesses grow using the power of AI. So, if you want to become a millionaire in 2026, start learning automation tools today and help others transform their local business digitally.